Let's try this one. I love this game. Alright, San Goku. Let's go first with divided by 2 plus 233 minus 47 minus 86 plus 357 times 2 times 4 times 5. 14,000. It's almost there. Let's try again. Let's go first with divided by 2. How about we'll try minus 86 minus 47 plus 233 plus 357 times 2 times 4 then times 5. Let's try again. This will be my third try. Let's try divided by 2 minus 86 minus 47 times 2 minus 33. Definitely I'm going to lose this game. See, almost 500. Let's try again. Right, this one. Let's try negative 47, negative 86, then divided by 2, then 233, plus 357, times 2, times 4, then times 5. Woo! I made it! Victory!